Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will go over how to make quick PayPal money. We will explore 3 practical strategies that you can start using right away to boost your earnings. These methods are straightforward and do not require specialized skills, making them accessible to almost anyone. You will learn how to leverage your spare time effectively, transforming it into tangible income deposited directly into your PayPal account. Let's dive into our first method now. Online paid surveys offer a simple way to earn quick PayPal money by sharing your thoughts. Many market research companies are eager to pay for consumer insights, helping them improve products and services. You can often complete several surveys in a short period, with each taking from 5 to 25 minutes to finish. Imagine accumulating $10 to $15 in just a couple of hours, deposited directly into your PayPal account. This is a flexible option for earning a little extra. Micro-tasks and small freelance gigs provide another excellent avenue for quick PayPal earnings. Websites like ClickWorker and RapidWorkers connect you with businesses needing small jobs done swiftly. Tasks might involve categorizing images, checking website functionality, or transcribing audio. Alternatively, if you have a specific skill, platforms like Fiverr allow you to offer small services for $5 or more. These options are perfect for utilizing short bursts of free time throughout your day. Selling unused items from your home is an incredibly effective way to generate quick PayPal money. Look around for things you no longer need, like old cell phones, books, or brand name clothing. Platforms such as eBay, Poshmark, and local Facebook selling groups make it easy to list and connect with buyers. You might be surprised how quickly items can sell, turning forgotten possessions into valuable cash. Imagine clearing out clutter and earning $50 to $100 in a single weekend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.